Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable or disable efficiency mode in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So basically this is a feature that's been included in a lot of modern Chromium web browser that is meant to improve the memory management of the browser, which is used in conjunction with sleeping tabs, which basically puts your tab that are inactive into sleeping mode, which means it will use lot of resources in background of your computer. This is very useful, especially if you are using a laptop device and you don't necessarily need to these tabs loading or reloading continuously in the background. All you have to do is open up Edge and click on this three dot icon and select settings. In settings, you just need to search for efficiency, EFFICIENCY. Comes up efficiency mode, helps minimize power usage by saving computer resources. Benefits may vary depending on your device, application, and individual browser habits. While the efficiency mode in Microsoft Edge may be turned off, it's possible that the Windows efficiency mode is still active and working to save resources on your device. As indicated in the task manager, you just need to turn it on or off by your preferences. After turning on, you just need to close it off here and now reopen the Edge. The changes take effect. And that's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.